Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to log in Rapid Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Rapid Finance Login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here you have two options if you are logging as a client or if you are logging as a partner. Now click on the options as you prefer. Here I am choosing client sign in. Now you need your username or your email with your password. So type in your username. Now type in your password. Now if you click on this box, then you are saving the information on your browser. You can leave it as unchecked if you are logging from a public computer. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click here and reset your password. Now click on login, and this is it. These are the simple steps that you need to follow to log in Rapid Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.